Remediation Station. Today, we're focusing on a critical application for horizontal wells, hydraulic control, which is managing or containing groundwater plumes. Vertical wells have been the go-to for years. However, they operate on the principle of creating individual cones of depression around each well. This means you need a series of wells, each working to influence the next one to achieve continuous coverage. This can lead to less uniform flow and potential gaps in your hydraulic barrier. This is where horizontal wells truly shine for hydraulic control. Instead of individual points, a horizontal well acts as a continuous screen, creating a far more uniform and consistent flow path across the contaminant plume. This continuous screen allows for a more stable drawdown of the water table, ensuring better capture and containment of the target zone without the reliance on multiple overlapping cones of depression. Another major benefit is reduced maintenance and lower operational costs. Because a single horizontal well can cover the same area as numerous vertical wells, you're looking at a significantly reduced number of wells and pumps required for comprehensive coverage. Fewer wells mean less infrastructure to maintain, less energy consumption, and ultimately a more effective and efficient system to operate. This efficiency translates directly into more stable and predictable hydraulic control, which is paramount for achieving remediation goals on time and within budget. Directional Technologies has extensive experience in designing and implementing horizontal well systems specifically for robust and reliable hydraulic control applications. Choosing horizontal wells for your hydraulic control needs means opting for a solution that provides superior performance, reduced long-term costs, and a more effective remediation outcome. Thanks for joining Remediation Station.